Spice says her baby daddy tried to take away her house.
Remember my baby father, you know? At 10 years, me and him there, you know. Decade, and him lie down beside me. And every day that man tell me say him love me. The man kisses it. The man kiss neck. The man can kiss. And me say every day the man remind me say him love me. You see when me and him left. Hey! The man want to got code for take away all way him don't know about. You believe it, that's because a Magnum page me dey pan. The man want to got code for take away my house. Remember? Look how much me put them to live down. Who read them question?
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic.
So yesterday Spice was live on Magnum Tonic Wine, and we know she's the brand ambassador for Magnum Tonic Wine, right? So she was supposed to answer 21 questions, but all them are ask Spice about are the Rastaman in the picture, you see me? That's all them are precious Spice about. But she did, however, get in some other answers to the other questions, you know? So I have some of the clips for you to show you what some of the questions are, or rather show you what she answer and how she answer them. Sorry. You see me? So we are going to get into some of the question them. She answer all kind of question, but you know what I mean? People always are going to ask about man and woman story. So we pick out some phone. So here we go on. The first question is, would she get a prenup? And this is where Spice mentioned her baby father. So we are going to play it and make it hear what Spice say. Here goes.
If I'm more well off than my husband, him have to sign a prenup because me now work so hard and then the man come take away my little things. Remember me work, you know, from your 16, from your 15 year work, you know. And then me if I got married to a man now, bloops, just so, and him come take away every little thing when me work for from 15. Remember when I have video with me for 15 years old for a stage show, just a DJ the whole of myself I go away. And then me go bust now a man for just come take away my thing. You must be crazy. You're mad? You're crazy? No man. But on a second note now, if the man have things, if a man have, I'm not signing nothing. I'm not signing a prenup if him have things, you're crazy. So that's a tricky question. That's a very tricky question. If the man have things now, it's different. So it depends on how well off my husband is. Because you never know, you know, everybody want to have rich man, everybody want to have man or this and that. But you never know who you're going to fall in love with. So maybe I will be more well off than the person, or him can be more well off than me. But it all depends on how it go, my love. Because me and the man come take away my something there. Remember my baby father, you know. At 10 years, me and him there, you know. Decade, and him lie down beside me. And every day that man tell me say him love me. The man kisses it. The man kiss neck. The man can kiss. And me say, every day the man remind me, say him love me. You see when me and him left. Hey! The man want to got code for take away all way him don't know about. You believe it, that's because a Magnum page me dey pan. The man want to got code for take away my house. Remember? Look how much me put them to live down. Who read them question?
Yes, people, so now hear what Spice say. So, another thing that Spice mentioned is that Spice It Up, I got come back. So, if you don't remember, Spice It Up, we did it on YouTube, where a fair show, where, you know what I mean, I threw Magnum also. So, she had Wally Pa guest on there. She had Mackerel, China Chin, she had other people on there, Wally Pa people, Triple X, and couple other people, you know what I mean, Richie Feelings, and everybody did there on there. And we don't know already, so I don't even know why I explain this. But Spice It Up is coming back. So the next question where them ask, you know what I mean, apart from the Rasta man, is if size matter, and is a Jamaican better than a American? And here is Spice respond to that. Here goes.
Well, I've been in a relationship with a Jamaican man before. And I've been in a relationship with oh my God, so nice! Oh, Jesus, peace. I will write them question. If they're better or worse, may I come back to that question there? May I come back to that question there? May I just keep on come back? All right. Does size matter? From a professional standpoint, I've had the best of both worlds. I've had small and I've had large. So, to be honest, size matters. Size matters. Size does matters. Because you see the laughing thing, when I laugh in time, I laugh in time. Because you know me love get joke and laugh and enjoy myself. But just when I tickle time, I tickle time and I laugh inside. But when I serious time, no, hey man. Yeah man. Size matters. I gotta remember that I'm on Magnum page, so I have to think about how I answer the questions. But me here when I talk about talk out of your mouth. Remember, I'm live on Magnum Tonic Wine page. I can't to elaborate for certain things, but I think size matters. Because, you know, you want to feel excited. When you drink your Magnum Tonic Wine over ice, because I prefer it cold, and it reach down and you're chopped, man. You're ready for guan. When you're ready for guan, yeah, size matters. I will leave it at that.
So one of the questions them when they ask Spice is which song she miss performing the most. I mean, never go tell you what she said. I want to guess and put in the comment section, and at the end of the video, I go tell you which song she said. Right? Another question they ask her if she have superpower, what would she want it to be? And she say for read mine because she want to know some of the dirty thing them where people are think about her, and then she eventually end up saying she want to can make more wishes. Right? So she wish she can make wishes, which me don't really know still, but big her up. You see me I say, I go post the full thing on my Instagram so you can watch. So if me I telling you, I want to understand one time when I watch it on the Instagram, you know way get a better understanding, right? But you know what I mean, one very important question that they did ask is if she could make any changes to her career, like earlier on in her career, what it would be. And she did bring up the issues with what she have with VP Records. Now, if you don't know, Spice been signed to VP Records with an album deal over 10 years now, and she still don't have an album. Spice now have not one album out. So she and VP always in a talking back and forth. You see what I say? She said people don't want to work with her because of VP, because they must say VP are going to take the song and all that. So she did address that, right? But people, the thing where everybody want to know about are the Rasta man. Who is the Rasta man in the picture where Spice a kiss? So let's get to Spice response to that. Here goes.
We don't want to know about the Rasta man. We just want to know about the Rasta man. She wants a natty on her front line. Whoa, yesterday. Type some Magnum Tonic Wine on the screen if you want me to answer the question. Because I want thing me know. You see when me rest some Magnum Tonic Wine for ice, problem there. I tell you. Magnum Tonic Wine every time. Rasta have a boss. The Rasta man have a boss. I'm going to answer the question. But just want to see some Magnum on the screen. Somebody said I caught more than 30 Magnum. Alright, so they want to know if I'm together with Justin Bud, which is the picture that y'all see going around. So the picture was posted, not by me because you haven't seen it on my page. And I guess that's what brought the curiosity. A lot of people didn't know if it was me, or a lot of people was wondering if the kiss was real. Because, you know, I want to say like me, I hide the kiss. So to answer the question that you all have been asking about this Rasta man, you know, who is going around on social media. I just because my battery is going to dead, so let me.
People, if you not get mad at me and I say, hey boy, Dancehall IG, where you cut off a video for? I saw she do it, right? She end the live right there, so people, she not answer. Or she say her battery dead. So, we don't know how Spice go out with Spice grown, but one thing I do know that Spice is a marketing genius, and the longer she keep in suspense about what go out with she and her love interest, her love life, and the more people are going to talk about it, and the more people are going to question it. You see me I say, and Spice know that. You know, you're a Spice that sell Magnum, and she has sell this new drink where it's Magnum and Campari mixed together called Red Leather. So if anybody ever try that, or I go try that, you see what I say, a new thing where Magnum are promote and a Spice are promote it. That's what she talk about the whole time, the Red Leather drink. You see me? So, you know I saw Spice do for her thing. So that's why she cut off the video and I actually tell we nothing about the Rasta man. But people, you know what I mean? People already make their connection. People are dig up pictures and things and I say, yo, you know, the Rasta did they also with Spice, that day and them time and Ray. That's what I hear people I say people. You see me? So I don't know. We don't put in the comment section and tell me what you think. No, for the song was Spice misperforming the most. So no guess it. Everybody must get it. Some like it, right? She did say some like it. She misperforming the most. Me know most of them must get that. You see me? I say, open a comment before me tell you no do. You see me? So big up Spice. Hopefully, you know what I mean, she do this again. And remember, Spice It Up is coming back on YouTube. So we are going to get more entertainment. So that brings us to the end of today's video. So if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the family. For all my long-time subscribers, thank you. Thank you for watching, everybody. Have a wonderful day, night, or whatever time it is, wherever you are. Thank you.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yadi.